I'm very happy to be invited this good summit because I met Erica and Yelena and Omji and so on because I met them on the Zoom actually while I work on the X project. And I'm so happy. I'm also happy to see many my Web3 friends in here. So I wanted to share my feeling now. So this today I'm here to share my journey, how to become a self-taught Web3 product engineer. Before jumping to the main subject, it's my fourth project at the Ticker Capital about the DP and AI related project. Before that, I work on the two Cosmos project and one flow-based blockchain project. So before that, I was the front end engineer of the Mushinsa, the biggest fabric focused commerce of the South Korea. But after the Mushinsa, I jump into the Web3 ecosystem and I'm only to the Web3 project. So here I will share how I become the self-taught Web3 engineer. So first point is that you should finding the right lecture curriculum. This means that you should find a structured approach. To join into the Web3 ecosystem as an engineer, you should understand the basics of the Web3 technology. The jargons and the terms you should understand. I met the one founder who wanted to hire the front-end engineer or smart contract engineer, and she mentioned me that we don't want to just Web2 engineer because it's really hard to hire the Web2 focus engineer because it's really hard to communicate with them because when they hire the Web2 focus engineer, they should explain all of the jargon such as DeFi, minting, and so on. So she said that it's okay to hire the front-end engineer who only do the Web2 project, but she mentioned that at least the candidate need to use the Web3 the apps such as DeFi project and NFT projects. So when the person do that, even though the person don't have the Web3 engineering experience, you can understand the jargons when the person jump into the actual workplace. So it's really important to understand the Web3 basics and about the structured approach, you should building from the basics to advanced topic. The good example is the graph project. The former speaker mentioned about the graph protocol. This is the graph is the good example of the advanced topic. In order to make the app, you should understand the advanced topic because it's a production level product. If it's not a production level the app, we don't need to use the graph. But when you want to make a production level product, you should understand the advanced topic and concept. So in order to understand this kind of concept, you should find the curriculum to contain the comprehensive curriculum, such as mastery of the blockchain basics and proficiency in smart contract development and the app development and the basics, the front-end technology to Web3. In order to grasp all of the curriculum, I recommend two major education system. First one is the Learn Web3 DAO, and second one is a ciphering of draft. The Learn Web3 DAO has the good curriculum for the Ethereum focused engineer. So I graduate all of the level 3 years ago, and after that I can earn my full remote job on the Stargaze in the Cosmos ecosystem. And nowadays I'm only focused on the Ethereum ecosystem. So I'm trying to learn all of the concept on the ciphering of draft. The Learn Web3 DAO it contains the comprehensive curriculum from the basics of the blockchain and the front end. What is the front end and back end, and of course the graph, and there are many concepts contained in this curriculum. So I'm the adjunct professor 겸임 교수 in Seoul University now. So I usually, when I teach about the blockchain curriculum, I use this curriculum. So this is the example of the NFT from my student. So after they earn this NFT, as a client engineer, they can deploy the smart contract and interact with the smart contract. So it's really highly recommended resources. And second program I recommend is a ciphering of draft. This is only focused on the smart contract. And over the smart contract curriculum, it teaches about the audit of the smart contract. So it is very highly recommended from me and the other top 3 Web3 engineers. So you should learn smart contract engineering from ciphering. Apart from the hard skill I mentioned, front-end engineering, smart contract, I highly recommend you to join any community you want near your boundary. So if you join the blockchain community, you can engage with the engage with a like-minded individual, and you can get instant feedback. So there are so many Web3 community. The former speakers mentioned about the DAO and the community, but we are in South Korea, so I will recommend a community focus on the South Korea soon. But before that, I really recommend this community developer DAO. There are few people who joined the developer DAO in here. When I have a question about the very vague topics such as Ethereum layer 2, I go to this community and ask a question. When I ask a question, I get instant answer from the top engineers. So if you want to get a feedback or very vague question, which has the very few expertise, you should join the developer DAO and ask a question. And the second community I recommend is the University of Ethereum. The University of the Ethereum. I established the Seoul chapter of the University of Ethereum, and I recruited about 12 members in the chapter, and we are trying to follow all of the curriculum from the Ethereum Foundation. So if you are in Seoul, or if you are interested in the woman-focused IT community, let me know. I will share the invitation code. The good thing of the Ethereum University Ethereum is that it covers all of the topic from the basics to the smart contract. But I already know the basics and the middle level concept, but so I don't study on here. But I highly recommend this curriculum to the junior level engineer or who want to join the Web3 ecosystem. And the third one I recommend is the join the hackathon. Please join the hackathon and do hacking. Joy, could you raise your hand? Yeah, she and I met over there. Yeah, she and I met the Middle Asia 2 years ago, and she won the multiple Ethereum Global Hackathon, and she was the many finalist of the Ethereum Hackathon. I think Joy is the good example of the why we joined the hackathon. If you join the hackathon, you can you can meet many international friends, and you make your own company, or you can get a very good opportunity, get hired. But you don't need to be an engineer. We should need, as an engineer, I need some person who do the project management and writing the document or pitching the product. So if you join the hackathon, you can find the like-minded people very easily. And if you join the hackathon, you can. I do weightlifting, and when I need to increase the intensity of the exercise, I don't take a long time to take a rest, and I only take a rest very short time. I think this hackathon is good example of the level up of your skills in very short period of time. So when you the last year I joined the Denver, and then I joined the Tokyo last year. I won the first track of the award on Tokyo, and I won the 2 track of the Seoul this year. I only did the work 12 hours, and I won the 2 award on the Seoul. So you should join the hackathon and find the like-minded people. I think it's the most easiest way to find a job to join the hackathon. So please join the hackathon. Yeah. And the last thing is the when I learn some technology or skills, I set up my environment itself to become a expertise of that area. So when you join the non-community of the South Korea or her DAO of the Korea, you can set up your environment entirely in Web3. So if you want to find the like-minded people, knows her DAO, Seoul chapter or university clubs will be the good example. Most of the university clubs hire the mentee, even though it's not the person from that university. So many professional level person who want to join the Web3 ecosystem, they also go to the university club. So, and every university club or the community knows or her DAO, they run their Twitter account. So you should find the Twitter account of that club or community and follow, and you will get notified when they hire the new member. So I mentioned that I was the Web2 engineer for about 5 or 6 years. But after that, I only focus on the Web3 development. This is my journey actually. I was the lead engineer of the Sturdy exchange. It was based on the flow chain. And then I was on the broker and Stargaze. Two of them are on the Cosmos ecosystem. Now I'm at the Ticker Capital, and we haven't decided the chain yet, but I think we will choose the chain on the Ethereum ecosystem. So let me hope to. No, forget about that. And this is my extra curriculum about the community and education. I'm the Women Code Seoul chapter director and Seoul chapter lead of the Dean University of Ethereum. So if you have any question about the education or the app application, or if you want to find the VC, I will introduce my boss. My boss is here. So I will introduce her or some renowned people in here. And lastly, we are hiring. So Ticker Capital is led by the Q, the most honorable and renowned person in Web3 ecosystem. So I think we are ready to launch the mega hit, the app and new protocol. But in order to speed up our project, we need some engineer or project management or product owner. So if you want to, if you are interested in that kind of area, let me know. I will introduce my boss in here. Thank you.